Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can invite members into your Monday.com workspace. First things first, I believe you already created your account. So once we are in our workspace, let's go to our left sidebar. As you can see, there's this little member plus icon, or it's some kind of figure. You click on invite members. Now you can invite them with email by just member or viewer. This guy can only read what you created, or the thing only meant to be for him to read. He can't really make changes. So let's invite a member. Let's go with my childhood email, and we just press invite. And as you can see, this email has been invited. This is one way how you can do this. The second way is how you can invite someone into your board. As you can see, at the moment we have two boards. First one is trial YouTube and the second one is tutorial. If you want to invite someone in this one, we just have to click in the same logo. You just click there, and anyone at Matthew Tech Tips account can find and access this board. At the moment it's just me, but we can also invite another guy. We can resend the invitation, or we can remove someone from this board. If you'll be too hasty on your decision, you can always click on undo, which is like a very neat thing for an undo button. Straight away you can make this guy be a new owner of this workspace. And that's about it. At the moment, at this board we have two people that can be used as members. We can't add the account with two L's, the Ruffle LL, because I add him only as a viewer. So you can't actually invite someone as a viewer and then assign him some rights. So we can only make this guy responsible for some actions. And that's how you work around your way for inviting someone into your board or workspace. So guys, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them underneath this video, and see you in the next one.